Here we are over in Keighley, Bradford this afternoon. Just finished a Starlink installation. Now this installation, we've installed a little mat underneath a flag. We've then fitted a flag mount with one of our own pole adapters on it. Wired along. This customer didn't want to see any cable, so we've clipped along this black mortar right the way down behind the downspout at the bottom and in through a hole. It's all nicely sealed. Front here had previously been out to this job but could not execute it as they said they don't go above the roof line. We've showed up, professionally installed this install, and customers happy. This is Aaron, professional Starlink installation.